Hey, welcome back, friend. I'm really glad to see you there. Come on, let's discuss a little bit nmtui or nmtui. If you're watching this in vertical format, I highly advise to watch long form horizontal because sometimes the font size can be hard to read in vertical. I will leave the link down below. If you're watching this on shorts on YouTube, just click the related video. So nmtui stands for Network Manager, and TUI in general terms usually means Text User Interface or Terminal User Interface. Call it whatever you want to call it. I'm glad with that. So we are back with Rocky 2, and I hope you have seen the nmCLI, the couple of nmCLI videos I have made. Go and check those out if you want. It can really add to this, but you can just dive in for now here, and you should be fine. So here I am at our Rocky 2 friends. So let's get some root access here, so we can make our changes, and it's as simple as that. So there are many TUI tools that you can use, and this is one of them. So let's launch the nmtui. All right, and this is what the TUI usually stands for or means: Text User Interface or Terminal User Interface. As you can see here, I'm accessing this through SSH. It's a purely terminal tool, but it has this kind of Windows-like, window-driven. Well, you know what, you will see what I mean in a second. Most likely we already have. So let's edit a connection here. So let's go ahead and edit a connection. This is our current profile. You don't usually see the LO unless you go in certain tools. In this case, the LO, the loopback, it's not visible by default, but nmCLI connection show, and you see the loopback there. So the loopback is kind of not something you usually see, but it's there. Okay, if you don't trust this output from nmtui, just go ahead and use the pure command line tools. Now you can just edit. Okay, you can just edit the connection. I'm going to hit the up and down arrow keys do nothing, but if you hit the tab key, you can go to the right hand side menu. So the tab key allows you to navigate to. So let's go and edit this connection, and it's nothing special. You see what you have seen before. There is no actually need to change nothing. So just do your customizations. Everything you can do here, you can do in nmCLI. It's the same thing. So let's cancel, and we can just add a new connection. This is pretty much what you see when you use the nmCLI connection add. Okay, so you can actually, you are fine with that. So let's choose, in this case, Ethernet connection. Let's give it a name. Let's give it DHCP. Oops, DHCP con, for example. Whatever the device, it's ENS. Here don't have the helping hands of the autocomplete, but you know that it's called the ENS 160. So you should get some slight information before you dive into this, but it's fine. So it's internet, you don't have to change much. So if you want the HCP connection, it's just as is. You don't need to change nothing but accept the defaults. It's automatic, as you can see there. So it's fine. You hit OK. Okay. And you can just activate here. Okay. So the HCP connection, it's fine. It's okay. I don't know why I came back here. So let's go back. Okay. And you can just go and activate the connection, and you're going to activate this guy. I'm going to lose connectivity to my server because I'm on SSH, and I'm going to get a different IP. So let's get the information from here. So IPA, and you can just as you can see, we got the 140 IP address. Okay. So if I use my regular usual nmCLI tools, you can just do the thing, nmCLI connection show, and it's the same thing. Everything just falls into place there. So let's re-enable the other one because we still have this SSH session hanging, which is fine. So again, be careful when you're editing network connections from a remote server that is really far away. If you do a mistake, you lose connection, and you may be unable to recover from this. So be very careful when editing network connections and other situations. But for now, be very careful while editing network connections remotely, because you may lose connection and you need to get some failback. In this case, I have a failback. I have the direct connection to the console, to the physical console, but that may not be your case. So an nmCLI connection show. Oh, it's already there. So an nmCLI connection up, okay? And I'm going to re-enable my ENS one, just so I can recover from this hanging SSH connection. Even if I can, I'm not sure if the TUI will able to recover from this. Maybe he will not. Oh, it already did, which is it seems to me. Oh no, this connection just kind of died on me, which makes some sense. Okay, so it's fine. You just need to reconnect. I'm going to reconnect to the session. Sometimes it recovers, sometimes it does not. It's fine. We can survive. Interesting. So let's see. Oh, I still have the 141. That's why they set the connection. So nmcli connection show. nmcli connection up. So I'm going to, well, I have two options here. So it's filling back to the HTTP. That's fine. We can fix that. It's fine. We have several options here. You can delete the HTTP profile, but we know you can do better. So nmcli connection show DHCP con, and we need to disable the autoconnect. Okay. Edit, no modify, and I forget. Oh my god, I have such a weak brain, man. So it's connection autoconnect. Okay, now I remember. Modify, connection, autoconnect. False or no, whatever you remember. Okay, so let's confirm this, and it should be autoconnect no, false. It will just work. Cool. Now let's go and re-enable this, and we are back at the 251, which means it's my IP. Reconnect, and we're back in business. Cool. nmcli connection show. It's there, but it's not auto-enabling. So, and let's go back to the nmtui. Edit the connection. Let's delete the one you don't want. I'm just deleting because I can, and to show you guys. So it's done. So if I go back to my console here, you will not see it anymore. Connection show. There we go. There you have it. You don't have it anymore, and we are back where we were. Other things you can do is activate and deactivate connections, which is kind of clear here. Set the host name and use and configure Wi-Fi. Okay, so very useful. Anything you do here, it's permanent, it's definitive, and you are good to go. So don't be afraid of using nmtui. There's nothing wrong on using nmtui. Okay, some people say, oh, it's not a pure terminal configuration tool, so I would not use it. Don't be that guy. Just use the tools you have available. Use the tools that make your life easier. So work smarter, don't work harder. That's what I always say. So if TUI works, why not use TUI? Like, subscribe, and comment. We are fighting for the 500 goal subscriber count. Help me on that. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.